match the walls.
Oh man. Is it so heavy or no?
It's not. It's got a faux bottom.
This is so cool.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yes. The island is so nice. I mean, oak and then that honed black stone inset. It's so unexpected too. It's almost a little of a modern touch in a kitchen that's very traditional. This is new and this is old, and Chuck and Dustin spliced it together. Are you kidding me? That's what I love about the work that we do, is we find a way to use scraps to make something beautiful. We could have trashed them all, built new ones, but why? Because they were beautiful scraps that we could keep and use to make something more substantial.
Put it right here on this gravel.
Is that the gym grill?
Yeah, this is the Jim grill.
This is really cool.
Jim's already planned a party because he said he's gonna have to do a demonstration. Flame grilled meats. It's his spiritual gift and calling.
It is.
Has he seen this? He's gonna want one.
It's almost like a little outdoor kitchen that feels perfectly sized and created for that space in the courtyard. It's cool. I think it's really kind of brilliant to have a little like dinner table / crafting table.
Yes, she will utilize the space for a lot of different reasons.
At first I had a hard time wrapping my brain around how we were gonna fill up this room and give it multiple uses. And now that it's all come together, it feels so intentional. To have a dinner table that's small and very casual, that's also, I mean, is it a crafting table or is it a dinner table? Exactly. Look at them, these cuties. Oh my gosh, this is their wedding.
How cute are they?
Emily and Grant are so young. Tomorrow is a really big day in the story of their lives. And I hope that this house is the first friend in their life really here, and that's the starting point, that they become such a part of this neighborhood and immediately find their place and their group and their friends here. That's what I really hope for them.
All right, welcome to the Saxton house.
Oh, wow, babe.
Oh my gosh, I love it. That's amazing. Looks totally different. You can actually see.
You can just see the house. That's the main thing.
And the landscaping looks amazing.
Yeah.
That was the biggest thing, was trimming up this big live oak, which is phenomenal.
Yeah, before it almost looked like the way Laurel looked after a hurricane. Like limbs were just down everywhere. And then just adding some trim paint, some shutters.
Super
I
excited.
love that window right there. You can actually see it.
You like that wreath, I know.
Yeah, I do.
While the front door is beautiful, it's the side door that's always been so charming to me. So why don't we start over there?
Love it.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Great.
Oh my gosh. Babe.
Oh, wow. It's
Wow.
very different.
This is amazing.
awesome.
I love it. Oh, wow.
This is great.
We kept these original cabinets, and then we built in this piece and then connected it all with some crowns.
Yeah,
perfect.
that looks perfect.
And
We're
that's
gonna
a
definitely use
designated,
this.
like, plop spot.
Yeah,
shoes
plot
and-
spot.
Uh-huh. All of our jackets.
It
Yeah.
can be messy and neat all right there.
Yeah.
You didn't need a sink right here in the door,
Yeah.
so we moved a big
That is
sink into your
beautiful.
laundry.
Yeah.
That's so perfect.
I love it. Wow.
Washer and
Nice. My grandmother's painting. Makes me feel like it's already my house.
It
There you
is.
go.
It's so your house. That's exactly how I wanted you to feel when you walked in.
This is perfect. I love this room.
You want to see the dining room next?
Let's see it.
Come on through.
Oh,
Come
wow.
Oh, wow,
Look how
babe.
beautiful.
This is awesome.
Your dining
This
room.
looks amazing.
There was a doorway here.
Yeah.
Went into
Okay.
the kitchen,
Yeah.
so we moved it here.
I can't even remember that it was
I
in there.
know.
This feels like
It
perfect.
feels natural, like it was there.
Yeah. We wanted it to feel a little bit formal, but it's also very comfortable.
It's beautiful. Look at the
I
cabinets.
love how y'all kept the cabinets. Man, that's beautiful.
That's your china in there.
Yeah.
Yeah?
There's our wedding invitation over there.
Mm-hmm.
That's my calligraphy.
That's really
designed it.
beautiful.
Well, look at this new fixture.
Oh, wow.
This is perfect.
I love it.
We'll go to the kitchen next.
Let's see it. Oh, wow.
Oh, babe.
This is amazing.
Wow, this is so
This is
different.
not the same room.
This is great.
This is beautiful.
This is
I don't
so
recognize
awesome.
it at all.
The layout's a little different.
Uh-huh.
It was so weird that there were 3 doors into this kitchen. And so closing that one up, giving you all that cabinetry in here, is way better.
I just can't believe this is totally different than what it was.
Yeah. this beautiful decorative cabinetry up here.
That's pretty.
It's made that way because that is a vent
Okay.
for your house. So that keeps airflow clear while it's also really beautiful. And then the same thing under your
Oh,
banquette.
that's
Okay.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the breakfast nook. Looks like it was always supposed to be there.
Wow.
This is awesome. This is beautiful. And I love the backsplash.
It's like a stone version of beadboard, which I thought was kind of interesting and a little different than
that.
anything we've done before.
And this is absolutely beautiful.
You like that?
It looks
So,
like someone I know built it.
Jim and I built this. This is actually the sinkhole.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's amazing.
So you got a wood butcher block surface. Imagine like cutting vegetables on this side.
Yeah.
Meats
Meats
here.
here.
Easy to
Wipe it off.
clean.
That's
That's
awesome.
perfect.
Pretty
It's
fun.
very useful.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Do you want to see the really big change to your house
Yeah.
Other than this?
now? Yeah.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Oh my
This
gosh.
is beautiful.
Did you think we could do it?
Where did this come from?
I know.
Wow.
This was not here.
That's awesome.
This is beautiful.
This is so beautiful.
The ceiling heights between these rooms, they were slightly varying heights. So rather than just give you a boring, bland hallway,
Right.
we thought it would be interesting if at all those levels where the breaks happen, add arches
Right,
that
that's perfect.
are a callback to the side door that we
Yeah.
love so
Right.
much, and then the arches in your dining room.
Yeah, that's
I
excellent.
love it. It looks perfect.
At the end of your amazing hallway is your new amazing den.
You can actually get there now
Yeah.
without having to walk outside.
Oh wow.
Oh, Emily.
This is amazing.
Wow. This is so great.
This is awesome.
It's
is perfect.
such a huge room.
Look at this.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of furniture to fill it up, but that's actually a good thing because the furniture is what's giving it different spaces for different uses. Emily, I have a surprise for you.
Okay.
I found this antique
Oh wow.
pie safe, and Mallory and I turned it into
How
like a
cool is
crafting
that?
station with all your calligraphy supplies,
Wow.
your photo albums. You can work here, and this isn't then like on your formal
Yeah, it's
dining
not like
table.
my dining table and I have to clear up. Yeah.
Exactly.
This is great. I've never really had a great place to put all my stuff. I just make a big mess.
I know.
Yeah,
It's
so now you have a
everywhere.
place.
Awesome.
It's everywhere.
Grant's really excited about this.
Yeah, this is so
nice
much
to have
better.
a place. Yeah.
Yep.
And also, I mean, if you wanted to come in here for dinner, that's more casual.
That's
You can
great.
watch TV while
This
you
is
eat
awesome.
if
Yeah.
you wanted to.
I see ourselves relaxing in here.
It just feels very comfortable, and that's what we wanted.
The secret garden.
Can't wait. Look at this. Oh my
wow.
gosh.
It's great.
Wow.
Wow.
This is amazing.
This is your secret garden.
Yes. Look at that matching door. That's
Yeah.
excellent.
Yeah, isn't that cool
Oh,
having them
wow.
across from each other?
Yes.
That's
so
perfect.
perfect.
Oh, and the Dutch door. Come see, come see. So if you're out here cooking and you need something from the kitchen,
Yeah.
you can just, hey, I need some ice or something, whatever you need.
That's awesome.
It's so charming, and it makes so much sense with the architecture of your house and the fact that you have a courtyard.
Yeah.
That's
it's so
awesome.
perfect.
Right?
Speaking of being out here cooking, you said you do like to grill.
Yeah. This is awesome.
So
That's amazing.
Wow.
Look how fancy that is.
This is super
That
great.
is really cool.